Right, so she passed the MOT. A few little bits to note. Obviously, the back wheel is still a little bit jammed, chain's a bit tight. It's the only things he could point out to me that might be worth doing still. So now we've done the master. It's got to be the caliper sticking. I have found a rebuild kit for it, if it fits, but it's going to take like 2 weeks to arrive. Either way, I'm going to pull it apart today, just give the caliper a clean up, pop the piston out, see if that helps. So I've got to take the wheel off, pop the brakes apart, and we'll see how that goes. To get the caliper off, nice and straightforward. I've got to loosen the chain off just a touch. That side. Oh, maybe I've done that up a touch. That's it, caliper's free. I know we'll have trouble with this bolt here because I had it apart already, didn't I? Easy way for me to pop this piston. Just use the brake pedal. There we go. She's out. So there's the piston. It's got a few bits of crap on it. Could probably use a new one, but there we go. So you can see there, the main pressure seal is okay, but it seems the dust seal's the one that died. So let's pull that out. I know this caliper's end of its life anyway. But let's pull that dust seal out and see what we can do. See if it's built up dirt behind it or something. Trying to get the seal out in one piece. I can rescue. Yeah, look. You can see all the corrosion's built up behind there. Bit of crap built behind him too. But I reckon we can save it. Stay at that. I'm going to put it back in now because I haven't got another one, but I know I need to order a new seal kit. Whereas the actual brakes was alright. So, let's take the last out. Pretty much, obviously, we just want to get it in place. Should be able to. Oh, that was lovely. Oh, did you see that movement? Straight up and about together. Caliper goes on to them. Caliper. Oh, makes life easier for me. We have, just so you can see, one clip there. And the other clip. There we go. Down. Up. Down. Anyway, that'll do for today. I'll catch you next time.